Hindi ko alam. Huwag ka raw titigin sa camera pag ganyan.
Ah, sige na, dali.
Bakit? Ang ina naman. Kaya kagal naman yan.
Ayan.
Teka,
Ano ka, video yan.
Ano ba, lights, camera?
Ano ba yung
Wag ka eh! Dali, stop mo kayo! Dali lang, okay.
Ayan.
Go, lights, camera, action.
Okay lang yan.
Loka-loka! Mga loka-loka! So, ladies. Hi, Cold. How you doing? Oh my God, the sunset.
Yeah.
Hi, Ben. How are you?
What up,
What
man?
you doing? You putting something?
Sinigang boiling.
Yeah, let it boil.
That's good.
As long as it doesn't overflow. If it overflows, in trouble. So we're cooking sinigang. This is the second night. And we're cooking so much fish. Look at that fish that I cooked right there. And look at... Yo,
Hi.
Mr. Barbecuer, what you doing?
Barbecuing?
Yeah. Yeah, well, that is it. Yeah, that's all fish. Yeah, but we gotta say...
Facebook,
Of course, I can do that. So... Yeah, this is
What?
not it's not a camera, it's a video.
What kind of phone is this?
It's a video. Okay, it's taking a video.
I know.
See? Right now.
Oh, it's a BlackBerry.
Yeah. It's taking
Crackberry.
a video of him.
It's a Crackberry. Fucking bakla.
Okay. Hello, it's taking a video.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why are you taking Ron's ass?
This is Ron, the barbecuer. This is Ron's ass.
I could do that to my phone too. With the flash.